everyone at BUIDL Vietnam. I hope you enjoy this wonderful meal. And as you probably know, we're the organizers, and Nicole's been doing an amazing job. But let's give a round of applause for Nicole for organizing this whole dinner.
Thank you, Erica. Thanks, everyone. I just want to settle you guys down a little bit because I know everyone is hot and thirsty. And we have a 5-course something menu in Vietnamese traditional style for you. So please, I would appreciate your patience while I'm going through the menu. And then we can have a round of endless round of beer later. I mean, you can just drink whatever you have and then, go to the other parties later. But today we want to have a very traditional setting of meals like this. You might know that in Vietnam, we do like family dinner. Like we take this very seriously, and you guys are family right now. So this is how we're going to treat you. And tomorrow we're going to have a proper party. I mean, in Western style, but we do want to treat you in every different way that we can when you are here. So please be patient when we serve the food. We are starting with the seafood and pomelo salad. And then we have to have the spring roll later, a lot of stuff. I mean, this is like a very good menu for you to spend time with your friends and family. And we do have vegetarian options. So if you are vegetarian, please just tell the waiter to bring you vegetarian food. And please just be patient. This is like the time for family. So we take things slowly, we talk, we get to know each other, and we drink, and we spend time with each other. So please just be patient. And after this, we're going to have a lot of parties. So just please stay with us. And I hope you will enjoy this dinner. Thank you so much for being with us.